Grow your business with Sage Cloud Hosting from Concero. To flourish, businesses need secure access to their financial data anywhere, anytime, from any device. Concero makes this simple by hosting your Sage 50, 100, or 300 in a top-tier Canadian data center. All your team needs is an internet connection and a Windows, Apple, or Android device. Within seconds, your team will be working collaboratively with Sage as if they're on their office workstations. Plus, Office 365 comes pre-installed, and you can host other business applications alongside Sage at no extra cost. We keep your Sage application and data safe on an enterprise-class computing platform in a top-tier Canadian data center. Out of the box, you'll benefit from advanced security features including intrusion detection, firewalls, backups, and an advanced security and permissions management system. When it comes to support, Concero handles everything. We maintain and support all aspects of service delivery. We monitor the quality of every remote user connection. Plus, we do migrations and updates at no extra cost. Best of all, we keep things simple and affordable. Pay per user per month starting at $49.99 Canadian. No setup or additional support or infrastructure fees. Plus, there are volume discounts for 5+ users. Contact us today for a no-obligation 30-day free trial and get Concero working for your business. For more information about Concero's Sage hosting services, call 866-326-4857, email sales@concero.cloud, or visit concero.cloud.